Namaste dosto. Welcome to today's explainer. Look, if you've been searching for a way to give your career a massive 10x boost instantly, you are in the exact right place. Today, we're decoding a foolproof method to build an interactive AI portfolio, and we're going to do the whole shebang in under 5 minutes. Let's dive in.
Take a look around the job market right now. I mean, it's wild out there. Almost everybody is sending the exact same completely boring PDF resumes to the exact same job postings. So ask yourself, how are you going to stand out? Bheed se alag kaise dikhoge, right? Well, if you show a recruiter the kind of interactive AI portfolio we're about to build, there is literally no way they can ignore you. You'll grab their attention instantly. So we are completely shifting away from the old way. Those static, flat, easily ignored PDF resumes. Instead, the new standard is all about these stunning, interactive, website-like portfolios. I mean, think about it. Which one do you think a hiring manager actually wants to look at? An interactive portfolio doesn't just list your skills on a piece of digital paper. It actively proves you know your stuff. Because here's the harsh truth of today's job market. A boring PDF resume is no longer enough to get you noticed by top companies. It's harsh. But man, it's so incredibly true. If you're still relying on a plain text document, you're just going to get lost in the crowd. You absolutely need something that showcases your work and your personality instantly. Now, I know what you're thinking. The pushback I always hear is, but this takes so much time. And yeah, traditionally, building a professional portfolio took days. You had to write all the content from scratch, figure out these super complex layout designs, and literally spend hours just hunting for high-quality images. It's exhausting, and frankly, it's why most people don't even try. But what if I told you that you could completely bypass all of that manual labor?
Well, we are going to replace days of frustrating work with a ridiculously simple 3-step AI workflow. Step 1, we generate the content with ChatGPT. Step 2, we design it with Gamma AI. And Step 3, we share the link. That's it, from zero to a finished portfolio in 5 minutes, maybe even 1.
Okay, let's kick things off with Step 1, content generation.
So we need solid content. But the best part is, you won't be doing any of the heavy lifting yourself. We're going straight to ChatGPT. You just use a prompt perfectly tailored to your field. Something like, please help me make a detailed outline for a professional portfolio on digital marketing. And hey, you can swap out digital marketing for finance, design, engineering, whatever you do. Just remember, the clearer your instructions, the better your content is going to be. And within seconds, ChatGPT essentially becomes your personal copywriter. It generates a really slick professional introduction, writes out detailed project summaries, and curates a sharp list of your key skills. And the absolute best part? Zero research required on your end. No staring at a blank screen, no struggling to find the perfect professional phrasing. It preps the whole thing from start to finish.
Moving right along to Step 2, Gamma AI Design.
Now this is where the Astley magic, the real magic happens. Gamma AI has some absolute superpowers. It built interactive web pages and beautiful modern documents. And honestly, if you have no clue what colors or fonts to use, don't worry about it. There's this brilliant Surprise Me button that instantly picks a professional theme for you. It'll seriously make it look like a high-end creative agency built your site.
And the user interface? It is unbelievably simple. All you got to do is Google Gamma AI, log into the platform, and hit Create New. Then, you literally just paste all that fantastic text we just generated with ChatGPT in Step 1. You're simply feeding the AI the information you wanted to structure. Super user-friendly.
Within seconds, and I mean seconds, Gamma AI takes your pasted text, automatically selects a professional layout, perfectly formats your bullet points, and drops in matching high-quality images. Boom! You get a complete interactive web page generated instantly. Oh, and if you don't like a specific image, you just swap it out with a single click. It's a completely seamless experience.
All right, final stretch. Step 3, share and stand out. So you've built this stunning visual portfolio, and now you actually need to get it in front of hiring managers, right? Well, you've got some great options here. You can send a single dynamic web link straight to recruiters, which opens perfectly on their phones. Or, if an application specifically requires a file upload, you can easily export the whole thing as a beautifully formatted PDF. You're really getting the absolute best of both worlds, depending on what you need. Because the underlying philosophy of this whole explainer is really simple. In the digital age, your presentation is your professional identity. By presenting yourself as a forward-thinking, tech-savvy pro who actually knows how to leverage modern AI tools, well, you're gaining an immediate, massive competitive edge over the rest of the applicant pool.
I really hope this explainer showed you exactly how easy it is to elevate your career profile. So what topic do you want to see explained next? Let me know down in the comments. And hey, make sure to join our AI army and subscribe so you never miss out on these career-boosting workflows.
You know, people constantly say AI is difficult, but with workflows like this, everything is possible. You absolutely do not need to be a coder or a graphic designer to look like one. You have the tools right at your fingertips to master your career and truly stand out from the crowd. So keep experimenting, keep learning, and I will see you in the next explainer.